Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk about this cool little gadget. You know, I love gadgets, especially useful ones, and this is an excellent one by Apai Genie. What is this? This is a smart phone holder tracker. So basically, you put your phone in this, and then this will follow you. It will track your face. So if you're moving around, if you're doing a video vlog, or you're doing a Zoom meeting, or you're doing a any type of video, and maybe you're doing a cooking lesson or something, you know, you can set your phone up, but you need your phone to follow you because you're going to be moving around. That's what this does. You install the Apai Genie app on your phone, and then you open that, and then you start it, and it'll track your face. It'll move, and it's a nice smooth movement. It doesn't jerk. It moves smoothly and nicely as it's following you, and it has full 360. Now this runs just off of 3 AA batteries, and they include your first set in the package, which is cool. But that's great because it's wireless. You don't have to attach this to anything. You just throw those batteries in there, and you're good to go. So before I talk about any more about my experience, I'll just show you because that's probably what you want to see. Anyway, you want to see demo. So I took a lot of demo footage using this in different ways, both just using it recording with the app and then using it doing like a live stream because you can use this, get this started, and then go into whatever app you want to use for like a video conferencing and have this running in the background, and it'll track you while you're using that. So I demo all that. So let's just jump over and show you all those demo videos so you can see this thing in action and see how the app works and all that good stuff. So right now I'm live blogging, and as I'm live streaming on Instagram, and as I'm doing that, the Apai Genie is still working and still following me because it's controlling the camera mount while I'm live streaming. So you can use the Apai Genie app and the following mount while you're live streaming or while you're doing a Zoom meeting or any other app that you're using video with. It will still work, which is really, really cool. And you can see as I'm moving, it is still tracking me, it is still following me, even though I'm not using the Apai Genie app. I'm using, well, it is running in the background, but I'm using the live stream feature of Instagram to record this video. So you can see it works even when you're using another app, which is a really, really cool aspect and feature of it. So I want to show you how the Apai Genie works. You can see my phone is already mounted, and then you power it on, and there's a little red LED. I don't know if you can see that in this video, but there's a little red LED to let you know it's waiting to connect. So I'm going to start the app up. That's the Apai Genie app, and there's a little Bluetooth symbol in the top right, and that shows you that it is ready to go. I'm going to go out of that. This is the main screen. That little Bluetooth symbol floats up there. If it's not connecting right, then it'll stay up here. And you don't go into Bluetooth settings and connect to this. You just turn this on and then go into the app, make sure your Bluetooth is on, and it connects to Bluetooth automatically. So then you can go to either camera or live. And live is if you're going to use a different, like a Zoom or something like that. But I'm going to go to camera just to show you some of the features that are there. So if we go into camera, then you click to unlock, and that's because it has sort of an automated feature where it'll start recording automatically, but if it's locked, it won't do that. Now you do have all kinds of things you can do. You've got props where you can do little things around your face. These are things that you're kind of used to. Oops. See, I unlocked it. You've got effects. You can do different effects. You've got beauty. You can do different beauty effects. You've got filters, and you've got different filters you can use. So lots of different things that you can do. And like I said, it's set up right now to kind of start automatically, because if you were hands-free and you were stepping away from it, you'd want it to record automatically. And you can see that as I move, it automatically is tracking my face. I'm going to stop that, and then I'm going to lock it. So now it's locked. And you can do unlimited recording, 15 seconds or 60 seconds recording, as you will. And you can go up here, you can use different, you can change the camera to the back camera. You can go into flash, countdown, zoom, exposure, and settings. In settings, you can change the resolution, whether you want beauty on or not. You can mute different things. Lots of different settings and features. Now, if you tap this, this changes from face tracking to object tracking. So then you can click an object and you can have it follow an object. So you can do that as well. And then clicking this goes into your gallery where you have your video and stuff that you've taken. And clicking, you can click the Bluetooth button. I think that's only if it's not connected, to try to connect again. But those are sort of the different features and things that you have inside the app. And then when you're ready to go, I'm going to turn it back to the front camera. And it's back to face tracking, and you'll see it just starts recording. And then as you go, it just follows where you go. So it follows my face, and even though the camera's in the way, it still does a really good job of following my face and tracking my face. So you can see, but that's what it looks like inside of the app. This does also work in landscape mode, and you can see I'm pretty close to the camera, but as I'm moving, it's still following me. You can tell that I'm moving, and it's following me. And so totally hands-free. This little thing, and it's a nice smooth move. It's not jittery when it moves, which is nice. Just moves not nice and slow, and tracks my face as I move. So nice motion in there as well. So you can see this thing works great. A couple of cool features is the fact that you can do portrait mode, or you just loosen the screw and then you can switch it to landscape mode. Also the fact that it does have a tripod mount on the bottom, so you can mount this onto your tripod to use it that way when you need to. The angle adjusts, so you can adjust the angle of this depending on the angle you need for what you are filming and what you're doing. And it works great. The tracking, the face tracking is brilliant. It worked great. Also, especially being able to use it through those third-party apps. So you're doing a Facebook Messenger messaging thing with some friends, and it may be a situation where you want to show them different things in the room. You can use it for that, or Zoom, or just recording a video for YouTube, or Instagram, going live on Instagram. Any of those things, it will work with that, as you can see, and it works really well. Now, it does also have object tracking. Me personally, I couldn't really get to work really well with random objects or object tracking. That's a your mileage may vary situation. Sometimes it would track, and sometimes it would have a hard time keeping up with objects, but face tracking is just flawless. That worked really, really well. And for me, if you're buying this, that's what you're buying this for. You're buying this for that face tracking. Because if you want to track an object, you're standing behind the camera, you can track the object. But when you need the camera in front of you filming you, that's when you really need somebody else. And this can be your cameraman. That's what this is sort of billed as, is your own little cameraman, and that's what it is. You put your phone in here, and now you have a cameraman so that you can do what you're doing and just let this take care of following you. It does have these power button here and these two little indicator lights, one that indicates flashing when it's turned on, then solid red once it's connected to your phone or paired correctly through the app, and then another light that turns green whenever you're recording. So it keeps track of that and is able to have a little green light to also indicate that it is recording. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, you've got the batteries. It does have these nice rubber feet on the bottom, so it won't slide if you're sitting in on a smooth surface, besides having the mount on the bottom, and then the adjustable arms to hold any size phone, and the fact that it can be portrait or landscape, and you can adjust the angle. Yeah, very simple but really cool gadget, and really can be very useful, especially in the age we live in, where we're doing all kinds of video conferencing and stuff all the time, or just recording videos of yourself, and you don't always have somebody there with you who can record you, this allows you to be hands-free and move around and have this follow you and film you. So really, really excellent product. Again, it is the Apai Genie, is I think how you say it. And it works really, really, really great. Definitely a product I would recommend. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you have any questions, there's something I failed to cover, feel free to post it in the description below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel and keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.